In 2025, I plan to make six figures from airdrops, and this is my exact strategy on how to do it. With Hyperliquid in 2024, this was a life-changing airdrop for anybody who traded on it, even if they lost money, even if they were a bad trader. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing with these new perp dexes that are coming up right now. And they're bringing something new to the table, such as how Hyperliquid was one of the biggest targets for liquidation hunting, such as the person called James Wynn lost $87 million by being liquidated, getting hunted by these bigger whales that wanted to flush out his position. This is what brings me to Hibachi. It is one of the first perp dexes to keep your transactions private and your positions private. That way you're not going to be prone and going to be vulnerable to these liquidation events. So that's why I'm going to be trading on Hibachi. Not only that, but they're making a huge revenue from all of these trading fees. All of these fees that you see that these exchanges are making, such as Coinbase, Binance, Bybit, they make tons and tons of money. You never see an exchange go broke or bankrupt, other besides maybe an exploit or hacking. So they're very profitable. This is what we're tapping into with these perp dexes. They're on-chain, they're crypto native, and they're passing on all of these profits to the investors and the stakeholders of these platforms. As of right now, they do not have a token. Same exact thing with Hyperliquid occurred where they did not have a token. The users that were early got tons of the tokens and had life-changing money airdropped to them as well. So that's exactly the strategy that I plan to implement with Hibachi. And I'm also implementing another strategy that is guaranteed so that you don't lose any money, which is the number one rule for Warren Buffett is not lose any money. And that's exactly what I'm doing here with the delta neutral strategy. I'll put in a trade equally on one exchange and then do the inverse or the opposite of that trade on the other exchange. So for instance, if I long fart coin, if I do a 2x here, I'll long, let's say $1,000 worth of fart coin here. Then I'll also short $1,000 worth of fart coin on the other exchange. So I'm not going to be using Hyperliquid for this example for the Delta Neutral exchange. I'm going to be killing two birds with one stone and targeting another perp dex that does not have a token yet and has been hinting of one. Extended is one of the best ones that I've been looking at as well. It's very early, so the best times to be using these perp dexes at the very beginning when nobody else is really using them. So the earlier the better, and that's exactly what happened with this. With Hyperliquid, we can see here that the points that I earned later in the campaign were very low. They were single digits compared to the double digits earlier on in this campaign. When I first signed up, I got 24 points. And later, each point translated to the price of Hyperliquid right now, which is trading at $40.59. So each one of those points translated to one of these hyper tokens. And that's what I think might happen with Hibachi and also extended here. So that's what I'm using right now. That's my exact strategy, is to do delta neutral positions and get as much volume as I can. And if you want to also share your referral code, you could also use mine to sign up with this, and it will discount your fees as well if you use a referral code. So kind of a little bit of money there on your fees. So sign up with my referral codes, links in the bio. If you need any help with this, you can sign up for my free Discord group, and we can help you along with this journey of the airdrop farming. And you can get all the airdrops I'm farming sent straight to your inbox. Just sign up with your email down below. Link will be in the description as well. And you can follow me on Twitter if you want to get all of this alpha quicker than on YouTube or from these videos. As well as I find them, I post it right away. Thank you for watching today's video. Hope to see you guys next time. Take care and be safe out there.